Good morning all. I am with one of my cleaners. So we are here at a move out clean. So I have a couple cleans going on today. Oh, my light, hold on, where am I going? So this particular client that we're at right now, she didn't book enough time for her clean. The house has a lot going on, a lot of pet fur. The kitchen isn't in really great condition. So it's gonna take us a good amount of time. Let's back on the light, yep. It's gonna take us a good amount of time to get this done. So I just called the client to tell them so that way they know we have to be here a little bit longer. So you take a look here. This oven needs some work. And this fridge, you can see it's gonna need some work. And this razor, honey, some work. This is a client that I've had before. We cleaned them when they, I think when they moved in, I believe. And so now they're moving out and they called us back out again. So I have a pretty good rapport with them. So it shouldn't be an issue with me letting them know that they need a little bit more time. And y'all, I'm out here trying to be Martin Scorsese or whoever I'm trying to be. And I have work to do. I need to send off 2 proposals to some people who may want to book us for some commercial cleans. I went on a walkthrough yesterday and sent them a proposal yesterday, and they want to book with my cleaning service, and I need to send them a date and a time when we can go. And I have another commercial client who I have, and I send them weekly invoices, and I need to send them an invoice. Luckily, I brought my laptop. So I got some good news. I had a client that just booked with me for a deep cleaning, but some bad news is I am all booked. I'm hoping this client can move to Sunday or either Monday. Oh, wish me luck, y'all. So luckily I brought my computer and I have my cord. I got my little, look how cute is that? A little mouse. So I'm about to make me a little makeshift office right here and do a little bit of work. I'm just gonna make this my office, and then I have to call a couple clients that are scheduled for tomorrow, send some invoices, schedule some commercial cleans, and I have a client that just booked with me, and I don't know if I can fit her into my schedule, so I need to call her to see if she's flexible, so maybe I can move her. Who knows? Okay, just heard back from the client, and the client that we're at now, she says that it's okay for us to stay an extra hour and a half to 2 hours to get this job done, which is good. So she just says stay as long as you need, so we will. So I had a chance to talk to that customer who booked with me. Luckily, she was super nice and she is pretty flexible. I think I should be able to fit her into my schedule on Monday, and Monday is quickly booking up too. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and get her scheduled for that. So thank God she was flexible.
You got me doing things I never thought I'd do, just so you know.
Okay, y'all, I was able to get some work done. And so I think I'm going to head to another clean that one of my cleaners is at, and just take a look there to make sure everything is good. I have another cleaner that's somewhere else as well, and then hop back here because this client is not gonna be here at the end, so I want to be able to take some pictures and send over to the client so that way they know what the house looks like when we left. Okay, I just arrived at the second cleaning. Gonna see what's going on. Client is sitting on the porch. Hi, I'm Stephanie. How are you? Good. My cleaner is in here. I'll just come to check and see how everything is going. Is that okay? All right. I think my spot's good. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hey, Bucky, so you got here about 8:30, so you should be done about 12:30?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, sounds good. All right, just wanted to stop by, see how everything was going. Everything was good.
for sure.
All right, y'all, everything looks good here. You know, the most important thing when you are starting any business is to hire great people. I am not, you know, a great cleaner. I do enough to be dangerous, but not that really. I am not a great cleaner, okay? I'll be the first to admit it. So I look for really, really good cleaners, and I do what I do best, which is, like I said, the marketing, sales, automation, driving revenue, all that type of stuff. But the cleaning, I let the professionals handle. They do such a great job. Doing all this running around, I realized I have not even eaten anything today. Look what I found in my bag. Apple it is. All right, guys, I am back at the original house, and it is looking amazing. Amanda is finishing up the kitchen. As you can see, that's the last bit of it. And here's where I'm working at today. I made this little area. She already cleaned everything off, so I just made this area my little work area right now. The kitchen is coming along. Probably about another 45 minutes or so. We should be good. Okay guys, we are finally finishing up in the kitchen and should be leaving here soon. About 4.5 hours at this particular job. Hey y'all, just decided to stop by another property. I don't know if you guys can see it in the background there. My cleaner just left. As I was pulling up, she was just leaving. So, but I think the property manager that I work with, she is on her way here. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and chat with her. But this cleaning is all done. Like I said, my cleaner just left. She knows this property like the back of her hand. We clean this property quite often. It's a family that lives out of the country, so when they come back in town or when they get ready to come back in town, we clean it up for them. So I'm sure it looks amazing. I'm gonna come in and take a look at everything, and so I'm gonna check with her. I'm whispering because I don't think anybody is here in the house. I don't think so. Everything looks good and smells good, and yes. Hey y'all, thanks for following me around today. Every now and then I try to get out of the office, and when I do, I try to film as much as I can, just so that people who are new to the cleaning industry or thinking about, you know, starting a cleaning service, they can kind of have an idea of certain things you have to go through, the good, bad, and the ugly. So thanks again for tagging along, and comment below and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Now that we're kind of getting out of COVID, we're starting to pick back up as far as business. So I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can still, but comment below and let me know what you would like to see. Thanks again. Bye.